What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing this little item right here. So, it doesn't seem like it's a lot, but basically what it does is, so you can put literally however many items you want, and what it does is you can come over here to the shelling machine and it will give you the amount of money that is worth in this thing. So I haven't tested yet if it does have infinite storage space on it, but you can put it on your back. So this could be like something revolutionary. Also, I noticed that they like changed the sound for the grappler. I hate this map, so I'm just gonna, yeah. Moment of truth, can you scoop? You can scoop. Oh, and you can actually see the nuts being stored in there. So I think it isn't specifically an item amount. I think it's a nut amount. So once it gets full on nuts, maybe it'll stop working or something. Or it'll explode and you'll lose all your stuff. But something that I think could be really useful is you can't really dump it out. So you know what I could do is just take it. I'm gonna drop back down. If it's a ripoff or not. Okay, no joke. I put barely any stuff in there. It felt like. I mean, that's about like a full giant backpack of stuff right there. So that is certainly very useful, actually. I don't remember the path to Haunted Mansion. Again, I forgot it, so. You know what? But let's go ahead and see how much money we get from one load. I don't know how much exactly how much more money that is than a backpack, but all I know is there's a significant difference. I'll put the exact amount on screen. Like, this is incredibly useful. Anyways, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.